today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Elementor WordPress. If you're looking to streamline your site or just control what your visitors see, this guide will help you master the ins and outs of hiding sections efficiently. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page that you want to edit with Elementor. Once you're there, simply click the Edit with Elementor button. This will open up the Elementor editor, where you have access to a range of amazing design tools and settings. Now that you're in the Elementor editing interface, locate the section you want to hide. Hover your mouse over the section, and you'll notice a set of control icons appear at the top. You'll want to click on the section handle that looks like a rectangle, ensuring that the section is selected. You'll notice that the section is highlighted, indicating it's the current selection to manipulate. After selecting the section, turn your attention to the left-hand panel, where all of Elementor's intuitive settings are displayed. Here, you will find the Advanced tab. Go ahead and click on it. The Advanced tab offers several options to enhance and modify the attributes of the selected section. What you're interested in here is the Responsive section. Click it to expand the options related to devices and visibility. You'll see three options with toggles: Hide on Desktop, Hide on Tablet, and Hide on Mobile. These settings are designed to give you full control over which devices your content is visible on. Say, for instance, you only want to hide a section from mobile viewers, you would toggle on the option labeled Hide on Mobile. This flexibility allows you to tailor the user experience precisely, ensuring a seamless interface across all devices. Now, with the settings appropriately adjusted to your liking, it's crucial to save your changes. Head over to the bottom of the left panel and click on the green Update button. This action ensures all modifications are applied, and your new settings will be reflected on the live site. Updating frequently saves you from losing work due to accidental skips or issues. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to expertly hide sections in Elementor, adding another layer of versatility to your WordPress site. This skill is incredibly useful for seasonal promotions, content that is being revamped but not yet ready to publish, or simply cleaning up clutter. Knowing when and where to strategically place or hide content can improve both user experience and site performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your WordPress site.